I have an incredible story to tell you today. Have you seen what this YouTuber did to a Lamborghini Gallardo? He simply bought a car worth over $100,000 and crushed it with a giant hydraulic press. But why did he do it? And what makes this car so special? Does he regret his madness? And you, what do you think of this act? Would you have the courage to destroy a Lamborghini? Or would you prefer to enjoy all the beauty and power of this supercar? Share your opinion in the comments. The YouTuber's testimony about the case is surprising, so join me until the end of this video to find out. For now, get ready to learn everything you need to know about the Lamborghini Gallardo, one of Lamborghini's most famous and desired cars. The Lamborghini Gallardo was launched in 2003 at the Geneva Motor Show as the second model under Audi's ownership of the brand. Yes, Audi was in control of Lamborghini at the time of the Gallardo's launch. Audi acquired Lamborghini in 1998 after the Italian brand went through several changes of ownership and a financial crisis. Audi was part of the Volkswagen Group, which also owns other brands like Porsche, Bugatti, and Bentley. Audi brought more resources and technology to Lamborghini, helping to develop the Gallardo as a more modern and reliable car compared to previous models. Audi also influenced the design and mechanics of the Gallardo, which shares many similarities with the Audi R8, another supercar launched in 2006. Audi is still the owner of Lamborghini to this day, although there are rumors that the Volkswagen Group may sell the Italian brand in the future. The goal was to create a more accessible and versatile car than the Murcielago, Lamborghini's flagship model at the time. The Gallardo cost around $180,000 at the time, nearly half the price of the Murcielago. The name Gallardo is inspired by a breed of brave bulls from Spain, following the brand's tradition of honoring the animals symbolic of bullfighting. The Gallardo was inspired by the collar concept, which was presented in 1995 by Ital-design Giugiaro but underwent design and mechanical modifications by Lamborghini's team led by Luke Donkewalk and Walter da Silva. The Gallardo was the first Lamborghini to feature a V10 engine, which was a novelty for the brand that had always relied on V12 engines. It was also the first Lamborghini to have a convertible version, called the Spider, which was launched in 2006. The Gallardo was a car that revolutionized Lamborghini's history, bringing more technology, performance, and style to the Italian brand. The Gallardo had a bold and aerodynamic design, with angular and aggressive lines. It was made of aluminum and carbon fiber to reduce weight and enhance performance. It had a low and elongated hood, slim headlights, and side air intakes. The rear was short and raised, with circular taillights and for exhaust outlets. It had a retractable rear spoiler that would automatically rise at high speeds to improve stability. There were various options for colors and finishes, including metallic, pearlescent, and matte paints. The car also offered several wheel options, ranging from 19 to 20 inches, with different designs and colors like silver, black, or gold. The engine was a 5-liter V10 with a power output of 500 horsepower in the initial version. The transmission was a 6-speed automated gearbox with the option of manual shifts through paddle shifters on the steering wheel. It had permanent all-wheel drive, which provided enhanced stability and grip in corners. There were several driving modes that could be selected using a button on the dashboard. The modes were Strada, or Normal, Sport, or Sporty, and Corsa, or Race. Each mode altered the engine, transmission, and suspension response, adapting the car to the driver's preferred driving style. The interior was luxurious and comfortable, featuring sport seats upholstered in leather or Alcantara. The dashboard had a digital display with a color screen that showed car information and multimedia system details. The leather-wrapped steering wheel had cruise control and audio system buttons. The center console had a touch screen that controlled the navigation system, air conditioning, and reverse camera. There were various optional features that could be added to the interior, such as carbon fiber, wood, or aluminum trim on the doors, dashboard, and console. The car also had several accessories that could be purchased separately, including custom floor mats, protective covers, or exclusive luggage. Don't forget to subscribe to the Dream Cars channel, the channel that brings you everything about the most incredible cars in the world. Here, you'll find the best videos about Lamborghini, Ferrari, Porsche, Bugatti, and much more. So, don't waste time and subscribe now. The Gallardo was a car that impressed both inside and out, with a design that combined beauty and functionality. It was a dream car for many sports car enthusiasts who could personalize it to their taste and enjoy its power and technology. It was a sales and critical success, considered the best Lamborghini ever made at the time. It became the best-selling model in the history of the brand, with over 14,000 units produced in 10 years. Additionally, the Gallardo was used by various police forces around the world, including Italy, England, and the United Arab Emirates. However, it also had its flaws and issues. For example, the automated gearbox could experience clutch and sensor failures, resulting in jerky gear shifts and even leaving the car stranded on the road. The tires and brake pads wore out prematurely, requiring frequent replacements. The tires could last as little as 10,000 kilometers, depending on usage and driving style. The parts could be expensive, and the car had high fuel consumption and insurance costs. Returning to Mr. Beast's case, he paid around $100,000 for the used Lamborghini Gallardo that he crushed with a hydraulic press. The car was in good condition and had only traveled 40,000 kilometers. The YouTuber said he did it because he wanted to do something different and shocking, and he didn't regret his choice. He mentioned being tired of seeing videos of people buying expensive cars and showing them off to others, and he wanted to do the opposite. He also stated that he didn't have any attachment to the car and preferred to spend his money on other things. He claimed to have donated the crushed car to an art museum, where it would be exhibited as an artwork. He believed the car had more value as art than as transportation. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the Dream Cars channel, the channel that brings you everything about the most incredible cars in the world. Best regards, and until next time.